Hello Mugunthan. Okay, so this is what we've been doing for math today, and we learn about rounding numbers. Rounding numbers to the closest 10 and 100. Okay, so what does this mean? Rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, this means that, for example, if we have number 14, okay, if we want to round this number to the nearest 10, we need to find the numbers that 14 is in between of. Okay, so if we go this way, we're gonna run into 20. If we go that way, we're going to get to 10. So now, what do we have to look? Is 14 closest to number 10, or is 14 closest to number 20? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line, write both 10s, and see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Number 14 is here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is right here. So we have 1, 2, 3 numbers from this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 14 is closer to 10. So if we round 14 to the closest 10, we will say that is 10. Okay? Another example, number 27. Okay, we're gonna round it to the nearest 10. So we need to find what number is what are the numbers that 27 is between of. Okay, so if we go this way, we're gonna run to 30. If we go this way, we're gonna run to 20. Okay, so now you draw the line, and here is 20, here is 30, and you're gonna draw 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Where is 27 here? So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 is here. 27 is closest to 30 or closest to 20? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers here, and 1, 2 in the other side. So if we round 27 to the closest 10, it will be 230. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to challenge you to round these numbers to the closest 10. And then the numbers are 24, 76, 3, and 55. Okay, pause the video, and you can solve these problems. Okay. Something that I didn't tell you is when we have, for example, as I said, like 55. 55, every time that we have 5 is in between. For example, from 0 to 10, 5 is in the middle, right? From 10 to 20, 15 is in the middle. From 30 to 40, 35 is in the middle. So where do we round? How do we round the number? Do we round it up or do we round it down? So remember for this forever, okay? Every time that there is a 5, okay, we are going to round the number to the highest 10. So we will round this to 60, always, all the time, okay? So if we have, for example, number 65, we're going to round it up to 70. If we have 35, we're gonna round it up to 40. Okay. What about if we round numbers to the closest 100? It's basically the same. We just have to remember what we just said. For example, I'm gonna give you some examples. If we have, let me see, if we have number, no, let me go smaller, sorry. If we have the number 30, no, sorry, 114, the trick here is you always have to find the hundreds first, okay? If we go all the way up to the next 100, this will be 200. But if we go all the way down, this will be 100. Okay, so for example, 225. The higher 100 will be 300. The smaller 100 will be 200. Okay, 347. The higher 100 will be 400. The smaller 100 will be 300. Do you understand? So once we found the hundreds, okay, for example 276, once we know the hundreds, now it's time for us to pay attention to a specific number, which is the tens. Okay, this is going to help us to realize, to figure out where, if we are rounding the number up to the 300 or down to 200. So every single time that the tens, hold on, every single time that the tens are equal to 5 or bigger than 5, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, we round the number to the higher 100. So 276, the number 7 is bigger than 5. So that means that we round the number to the higher 100, which is 300. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some challenges that you can complete. Go ahead and round the numbers 527, 684, 163, 275. So what you can do is you can do it on a piece of paper, take a picture and send it to me in Shubi, and I'll correct your work and I'll let you know if it's you need to change something. Okay, if you have any question, please don't worry, send me a voice clip, send me a message, and we'll fix it together. See you.